Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick update. Only for reaction videos. I'm going to do Facecam now. Sorry. But only for reaction videos. Okay? So. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I am playing Speedrun 5. This is not real. This is only a fan-made game inspired by Speedrun 4. So let's just get going. No! Yes, okay. Whoa! Oh my gosh. This is insane! Oh gosh! Okay, so after this video is going to be a reaction video, so expect a reaction video right after this video. Right after this video is uploaded. One gaming video a day, one reaction video away. What the heck is that? What the heck is that move? That's not in Speedrun 4. I'm guessing they do that. But we do not run like this in Speedrun 4, so. Okay. I'm almost there. Oh, yay! Okay, this level seems. Whoa! Ah! It says you are now on Ice Cat team. There's no one in this game. Ah! This is so hard. Whoa. Ah! Okay. Please don't fall. Please. Ah! No! No! Sorry for all the weird sounds. I just keep losing. I can't. Whoa. Whoa! No! Oh no! No! Yeah, so you guys are probably wondering, why isn't Val with me? Well, my phone is dead and that's how I call him. So I can't really do a video with him today. Maybe tomorrow. I just gotta really stay focused. And I can win this level. Come on, Jack, you got this. No! Maybe if I pause my recording. No, I want you guys to see me beat this level. Oh no, you know what? That's it. I'm just gonna pause my recording until I beat it. I'm just not gonna speak. That was literally so impossible, so I've decided that I'm going to switch to Speedrun 4 and play this game instead. Okay. Just gotta stay focused, and then I could win the level. I have 10 stars. I need to get 30. Oh gosh! Well, since I've maybe already played this level, maybe I could do a different one. I'm in space. Okay, let's just go over here. Wait. There's different levels. I only have 69 gems. It's a free bonus level. I'm gonna go in here. Ooh. Oh, this thing's hard. Oh gosh. I think I remember playing this, but I'm not sure. Oh god. Oh my gosh. This level is so hard. Like, it's so hard to beat. Oh god. No! No, no, wait. Can I save myself? Can I save myself? No! I died. Wait, how many levels are people? I'm on the bonus level. I'm the only person on this level. There's nobody here. I just gotta stay focused. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, just like what Jen Super Girly says. Or gaming with Jen. Oh gosh! Well, anyways, guys, I hope you are having an amazing day. I've been on this level for about 2 minutes, and I just want to get through this level. Okay, come on. This was originally started out as a speedrun 5 video, but that was impossible, so I just decided to switch to speedrun 4. You know what? That's it. That's it. I'm going back to the lobby. Why is there a noob over there? I shouldn't make fun of them though. It's rude to make fun of noobs on Roblox. So any of you guys are bullies to noobs, don't make fun of them. Noobs are happy too. Well, I shouldn't be calling. Well, noobs are good people. I don't understand why you guys bully them. Like, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm on this like sandy level. Okay. I did play this with Val once. You could go check out that video. We originally recorded 2, but he didn't upload that video. But if you want to see the Would You Rather video from his view, you gotta go check out his channel, Valentine's Wilhelm. And sadly, Val isn't with me for today, since I can't call him, since my phone is dead, and that's how I call him with. I'm pretty sure I already explained that earlier in the video. Oh god. Ooh, I'm almost there. You're almost out there. Yes! Ooh, I love this one. Well, I've played this game before, as you guys can probably know. Oh! Shoot! Yeah, no more of my gaming videos will contain face cam. Only my reaction videos, which one reaction video will come. No! Okay. This level is really so impossible. I'm not going to be using any more of my skip levels because, I don't have a lot of more Robux left. I only have 71 Robux. So I'm trying to get another. So I'm not going to spend any more of my Robux. Because if I do, I'm just going to lose it and I'm only going to have 26 Robux left. How fun would that be, right? Ate it. Ooh, I like. Oh, this is bright. If my face cam was on, you would see my face completely white. I can see my face cam because I showed my face before the video started. it was on, so that's what I did. Used both, but I don't have it on because I don't want to turn it on. I don't want to use Facecam for my gaming videos anymore. I'm only going to be using Facecam for my like reaction videos and stuff. Because I am going to be doing reaction videos too on this channel. You know, it's called Gamer Jaxie Gamer, and like a few months ago I did say that this account was no longer going to be about non-gaming. It was only going to be about gaming. But I changed my mind and made this account more like not like about like vlogs. I like to vlog on this account and stuff. Yeah. Ooh. And I love this one. It's the rainbow one. I'm not even gonna focus on the colors. No. I just screamed into the mic. Ow, just my cheek. Well, that was literally a silent moment there, and I actually did that. It's just like jumping. Ah! I can't use my skip because I'm not gonna have much Robux left. What did I do with all my 1,000 Robux? I don't know. Okay. I'm making it. Going super. Oh no! I can see the next level. Ah! Okay. Come on. No! What the hell? Almost said the H-E-L-L word. No! Okay, come on, guys. Come on, guys. I know we can do this together. No! Okay. This is the... Come on. I can do this! Woo. Come on, guys. I know I can make this level. I did it before. I can do it again. I could fall. Yes, okay. Okay. Anyways. Come on. Come on. Yes! Yes, queen. Oh, this level looks so hard. But I know I can do it. No! No. Me and Val did play Piggy yesterday. He recorded too, but it just wouldn't let him upload it. He thinks his computer hates him. Ah! No, and my recorder's about to end. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment and subscribe. Bye! This is my last face showing video in the gaming video.